Welcome to the 7 Steaks of Summer, where we keep your grill fired up all summer long with a featured steak each week. Your local Acme Fresh Market Meat Department exclusively carries the Certified Angus Beef brand. We are so proud of the partnership that Acme Fresh Market and the Certified Angus Beef brand have had for over 20 years. This week's featured steak is the Filet Mignon. Also known as the tenderloin, it's the most tender steak hands down. Simplicity is key with this steak because of the filet's subtle flavor. Just a little kosher salt and fresh cracked pepper is all you really need to bring out the best in this prize cut. A pro tip for you, ask your butcher to cut it 2 to 2.5 inches thick to really enjoy this tender steak. Here's a simple recipe you can share with friends and family: the Filet Mignon with Couscous Salad. Visit your local Acme Fresh Market and enjoy all the steaks of summer.